full off the bone, delicious oxtail. This meat will absolutely change your life. So starting off with some oxtail that we've cleaned with water and lemon, we are going to season it. Here we're keeping the seasoning simple with all purpose. You want to massage this seasoning nicely into your meat. Cover it and marinate it in the fridge overnight if you can, or for a couple of hours if possible. Now for the least fun part of the process, chopping up all of your vegetables. So we're starting with some celery, chopping this into blocks. Then we're also going to chop up some red onion, some carrots, and also some shallots. You'll see that for the shallots, we just slice it in half, and then when it's cooking in the pot, it actually breaks itself up naturally. So getting some vegetable oil, we're first of all going to brown our meat on both sides at a high temperature. Once this is done, you take that same oil and those same juices to saute your vegetables. So you cook this in the oil until you see that it's become a bit translucent and the vegetables essentially reduced in size. Then we're going to re-add our oxtail and some water, a little bit of browning for colour, mix this all together, add in a Scotch bonnet and cook this low and slow for around 3 hours. If you want, you can also add some butter beans towards the end of the cooking process as well, but this is optional. And there you have it. Beautiful, succulent, delicious oxtail. If you like this video, please remember to comment, like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.